Hey everyone, it's Neil Patel, and today I'm going to share with you an easy way to rank for competitive keywords. Now before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. So anytime you type in a keyword, especially one that's competitive, you'll typically see terms or web pages that rank at the top that say either what is or how is. Here's an example. I typed in the keyword voice over IP. And voice over IP, according to Ubersuggest, is getting searched roughly 40,000 times a month in the United States. Cost per click is roughly $34. Good keyword, right? But when you look at who's ranking, look at this, VoIP, VoIP, right? First one, what is voice over IP or what is VoIP? Second one, fcc.gov, voice over internet protocol. Next one, Wikipedia, voice over IP. Nextiva, what is VoIP? AT&T business, what is VoIP? VoIP.com, PC Magazine, best VoIP providers, top VoIP providers, what is VoIP? If you notice, there's a lot of VoIP related terms. Now I can type in the term like SEO as well, and you'll notice something similar. Beginner's Guide to SEO from Moz. Number 2 from Moz is, sorry about that, just scrolling back up. Number 2 from Moz is what is SEO? Google Search Engine Optimization Starter Guide, Search Engine Land, what is SEO? Me, Search Engine Optimization Made Simple, but my URL also has what is SEO if you notice here. Wikipedia, Search Engine Optimization, WordStream Beginner's Guide, Search and Watch Basics. Let's go to page 2. Let's see, Comprehensive Guide, Learn, Ahrefs, what is, Alexa, what is SEO, MailChimp, what is SEO. As you can see, there's a lot of what is type of articles for a lot of the competitive head terms out there. So if you want to rank for them, you should consider creating what is or how to related articles. Or example of this is like how auto insurance works or how insurance works. You know, anything like that. So let's type in something like insurance. I haven't seen what's at the top, but let's see, Farmers Insurance Codes, Progressive, Insurance, Wikipedia, insurance, types of insurance offered. Okay, so it doesn't work for every single thing out there, but it works for a lot of the terms out there. And what's happening is Google likes ranking informational sites because people are typing in informational related keywords and they're very popular, and you can see it right here, right? 40,000 searches. Now what I want to show you is when you write these what is type of articles, you're probably wondering, how do I get people to convert? Here's a prime example. This is Nextiva. Nextiva provides voice over IP services. Funny enough, at my company we use them. So what is voice over IP and how does it work? Right? So they have this article, it breaks it all down, it's super detailed and thorough. Look at like the graphics, cable modem to router to switch to computers. This is an example of a good article. Trusted VoIP providers, look at this map. That looks great. How does voice work? They even have a video in there, which is great. They created a custom video. Pros and cons, love it as well. And even they have the text as well, right? So pros and cons. They have this voice over IP versus landline, what's best, but then they also have the benefits and the downsides all listed out in bullet points as well. Is it easy? How much does it cost? You know, nice graphics. They have listicle sections within the article as well. A lot of videos. And like overall, you know, they did a great job. But if you look at this page, the main point that I want to break down is, and if you're trying to rank by doing something similar, look at this Nextiva blog article, right? Nextiva.com/blog/what-is-voice-over-ip.html. Right here, they have try Nextiva. That's a call to action that gets them signups. And, you know, they're linking to a lot of their other articles, which helps with internal rankings as well. Let's see, Office phone system, products. Like, look at this. They're linking to one of their products that they're selling, right? And get a quote, explore features. So the point I'm trying to make is, one, this is a great example of an article to copy if you're trying to rank for any head term that's super competitive. You can create that what is type of article. Two, if you want to convert, you need to have the call to action. So they have a call to action in the header that floats. They have images within the article that you can click through, right? Try the #1 voice over IP phone system today. I can click on it and it takes me to another landing page where I can try it. And on top of that, you can also link to products within your article or lead pages or pages where you're selling stuff like they're doing here. That was a text link that I clicked on. And then boom, it'll be a landing page that I can go and sign up on. So that's what I want you to take from this. If you want to rank for competitive terms, consider writing what is or how something works. And you can see for a lot of the competitive terms out there, I challenge you to search from. You'll notice that a lot of what is or how something works is ranked at the top. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, share it, tell other people about it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer and help you out. And if you need help growing your rankings, your traffic, check out my ad agency, Patel Digital.